There he is. Look at him. Look at him. There he is. Come here, little guy. I've been looking for you. Hey, I've been looking for you. Where you been? You're so dirty. Why? Why are you so dirty? Why are you always rough? What are you doing? Looking for a girlfriend? You okay? I need a friend right now. People are trying to counter-sue me. Evil people. You know? Yeah. Why are you not in the home? Huh? Such a sweetie. Right? You stand guard? Take you home? I would too. Right? This is your block. You own it. You rule it. Look at that. He rules this block. Right? You rule the block. This is his home. This is where he lives. He's always adorable to see him. It's a neighborhood cat that hangs out here. He's very smart. Very intelligent. He's not scared. Look at that. Right? Tell them, this is your block. They gotta pay rent if they want to pass. Cat food. The best. Oh, you're so adorable. I'll see you later.